In this video I will show you how you can create a tool, open a station, and then go to import geometry, and then download the MetaClap gripper, import it. For the MetaClap gripper the origin is already fine, but if you later want to and if you use another gripper, maybe you also have to change the origin. You can see how that is done in other videos. For example, in the video where you recreate a library for the workbench. Then we will create frames. Let's create frame from 3-point. And let's go here. Let's make the TCP1 first. So I want the z-axis to be outward like here. So, but it's easier if we create a frame and rotate the frame later. Okay, so now rotate the frame around the y-axis for 90 degrees, and like this. And I want the x-axis to look in this direction as well, but that's just preference. Then we measure from here to here. This is 20 millimeters. So we know we have to move the frame into the negative y direction by -10. It's okay. And now it's still not in the right position. We have to put it in the middle here. So from here to here the distance is 0.3. So we have to move it into we have to move the frame by 0.15 into the positive x direction and apply. So now the frame 1 is fine. Let's continue with the second TCP. So create a frame from 3 points again. Let's create that one here as well. Create, and the orientation in this case is already okay. Remember, the orientation must be that the z-axis looks out like it does right now, and the x-axis has to be in the direction of this line here. So let's position it. Now we again have to put it in the middle first here, so it's again 0.15 into the negative x direction. So now it's in the middle. Oh, and we put it in the wrong direction, sorry. Set position, negative 0.15. Now this position is alright. And now we have to move it here. So let's measure from here to here, and we can see it's 30 millimeters. So let's move the frame by 30 millimeters in the y position, in the y-axis. And now I made an error. I clicked on the gripper. So let's do it again and click here on the frame. So we have choose frame here, and it's 30 millimeters in this direction normally. Apply, and okay. So now we have the position quite okay, but we still have to move it down by approximately, no, not approximately, by 2 millimeters in the negative z direction. Apply. So now it's in the right position. So now we have the two frames, one here and one here. And we go to modeling, create tool. We call it the MetaClap gripper, and use existing and this here, then the mass is approximately 0.4 kilograms. So now let's look at the center of gravity. You can also download the center of gravity drawing. We have that one here. So let's remember it's 133.75 in the Z direction and 29.63 in the X direction. So let's go back here. It's 133.75 in this direction and 29.63 in this direction, but let's control again. Okay, then next, then we can give the TCP a name, TCP1, and in this case the frame one, then move it here, and then the TCP2 with the frame 2 and move it also here. And then we're done. Now you have the gripper here. Let's delete these two here. And now you can see the TCP1 is here, the TCP2 is here. And let's create a library and let's call it MedTech Lab Gripper. Yeah, that's fine. I already have it, so let's replace it. So this is how to create a gripper and the two TCPs.